Hey guys, today I'm making a tutorial how to unlock your iCloud locked device. First step you want to do is go to iCloudunlock.pw. Once you're on the site, you can see I'm on there right now. You want to go ahead and enter your serial number of the device you want to be unlocked, or your imei ID. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my ID, and once I do that, I'm going to click connect and I'll show you guys the next step. Okay, so I entered the device ID. I want to check off unlock iCloud and then click continue. Now that you entered the serial, it's going to put it into the system and check if it can be successfully jailbroken. If you make it this far with the terms of service, basically the terms of service is you're not going to be like unlocking other people's iPhones. Like it's just going to be your own iPhone, just to be safe and everything. So once you get to this page, click on verify, download 2 apps. So yeah, to verify that you're not like a spammer, it makes you download 1 to 2 apps. So if you only see 1 app, then just open 1. If you see 2, you have to open 2, but be sure to open them for 30 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys me doing it in front of you guys, and it's super simple. So I'm going to go ahead and download the apps, and once I finish it, I'll be back. See you guys. Hey guys, okay, I'm back. As you've seen, I verified the 2 apps that were required for verification. After you get to that step, go ahead and power off the device that's iCloud locked and restart it. And let me see. It just takes 1 minute to reboot. Okay, you can see the iPhone's turning back on. Make sure the phone is connected to Wi-Fi when it's or like when you're connecting back, so it could unlock the iPhone. And as you can see, yep, it unlocked. Everything's working. See, easy as that. So be sure to tell all your friends to take advantage of it. See you guys.